Learning playlists allow administrators to assign security permissions to designate content curators to create playlists comprised of internal and external resources that can be shared with other users. These playlists are accessible to other learners through several locations, the first being on the Learner Home page. Learner Home includes a Your Playlists widget with the option to begin the playlist creation process. The widget also features the total number of playlists a curator has created, how many followers the playlists have, and how many playlists you are currently following. Selecting any of these totals will direct you to the My Playlists page. The My Playlists page is where curators create playlists and access playlists that they have already created, and can also be accessed from the Playlists link available in the navigation tabs. Playlists are displayed in tiles, similar to the content available in Learner Home and Learning Search. Selecting the title of the playlist will allow curators to view and edit the content. To create a new playlist, select the Create New button. The new playlist will need to be given a title. A description can be added, and if the curators have the correct permissions, selecting the private toggle will make the playlist visible to all users in search. The Add Training search bar will display training that a curator meets the availability for to fill out the playlist. A playlist can include up to 20 total training items consisting of online courses, instructor-led events, videos, tests, curriculums, materials. The search bar will autofill the closest possible matches to what is entered. If the desired training is not appearing, the Search Full Catalog link will take you to the Learning Search. Selecting the title of the training begins the process of adding it to the playlist. For each training, curators are able to add a comment to add context for the learners. Selecting the Add Item button will finalize including this training in the playlist. External content can be included using the Add a Link tab and pasting a link in the search bar. The playlist will verify the website exists and will autofill the thumbnail image, title, and description based on the website's metadata. The title and description can be updated as needed and the thumbnail removed. Select the content type from a predefined list. Add a duration, available languages, and if necessary, a comment before adding the website to the playlist. Each training item includes a series of controls that allows curators to remove the item from the playlist, rearrange the order that they appear in, use the three-dotted actions icon to open a drop-down menu that includes the request launch options, the options to add or edit the comment, and saved for later. Both Global Search and Learning Search include playlists in their training results and as a type filter. And training from the Learning Search and Learner Home include an Add Playlist option in the Training Tile Options dropdown. From the search page, if a curator selects their own playlist, they are taken to the Edit page, allowing them to make changes and include more training items. When another learner selects a playlist they have not created, they will see a read-only version of the playlist. Learners will be able to use the Follow button to easily come back to the playlist later from the Followed tab of the My Playlists page. Also available are the Copy and Share options in the Actions dropdown. The Share option allows learners to copy a link that will take them directly to the playlist. The Copy option allows them to copy the playlist created by other users and create new playlists, retaining the content and description. In the playlist, learners can toggle the playlists between a tiled and listed view. Both views provide the same available functionality. Clicking on a title of a listed training item will take learners to the Learning Details page where they can request, launch, or assign the training depending on availability. Curators cannot define availability in the playlist itself, but administrators can edit the availability via the course console. From this page, it is also possible for a system administrator to change the curator of a playlist. You can find more information on learning playlists in our online help or in the learning communities in the Client Success Center.